Whiskers. Kitty, kitty, kitty. What are you doing? Why are you on that suitcase? That's Hi guys, it's Crystal, and today we are going to do a tropical, fun, flower-filled, gorgeous mani combining gradients and stamping and all the best things on our nails. To start this mani off, I'm using my Ready for Takeoff peel-off base coat from Untitled Nail Lacquer. I have used nothing but a peel-off base coat for a while now. It's very sad and tragic. I haven't done any water marbling or anything with vinyls in so long, and I just realized it when I was filming this video. I was like, I don't think I've worn a regular base coat in weeks. I've been wearing things for a day and been done with them. For the base polish, we're using Heatwave from Live Love Polish. This is from their new Sunkissed collection. So many people requested me to swatch this collection when I posted in my Insta stories asking what you guys wanted to see. So I have the collection, but I haven't actually swatched it yet. But I liked these polishes when I was playing with them, and they looked pretty lined up in the bottle, so I decided to play with them in a gradient and came up with this whole mani thing. That's how this happens. Once I've got that base color down, I'm using my Simply Peel from Bliss Kiss to protect my cuticles. And you can see this base color is really opaque in one go, which is not common for yellow. So I'm guessing that all these polishes are going to be really gorgeous. My only thing so far is that they don't seem as bright as the pictures on the site. Like, the pictures on the site look a lot more pigmented than these are. These seem a lot paler than those photos. Next up, I'm going to combine Heatwave with Private Cabana, the pink, and Sunbathe, the orange from the collection. And these are all linear hollow, so there's no weird textures going on. Here you can see I got Private Cabana going down on the sponge, and it looks so bright. But when you use sponge polishes on, you know, you lose a lot of that base color. So that kind of explains why the mani's probably not as bright as the swatches are going to be, but it's still very pretty. I was really impressed with these, and I didn't expect to be, because I was kind of skeptical, because these are really expensive. Live Love polishes are some of the most expensive I've bought, which is why it's taken me so long to bother getting any of them. So we'll see if they're worth it when I swatch it. Once I got my gradient on my sponge, I only dabbed on 2 layers. I thought I was going to need 3 or 4 layers, but I was really satisfied with the colors I got in 2. So I just went with 2. And I probably wouldn't have needed 2, but the pink didn't seem like it was showing up well enough. So I really went in with that pink a second time. The orange and the yellow looked great, but I wanted the pink to really actually have a presence on the nail and be really beautiful and poppin'. And it was. For my cleanup, I'm using my number 2 cleanup brush from Twinkledt, and I'm going to do it, gasp, on camera. Dun-dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun-dun. I should probably just find a sound effect for this instead of singing it. That would probably do a lot better. I'm probably going to get made fun of in the comments for that. I'm okay with it, guys. I'm okay with it. The cleanup on this was super easy. It is with most linear hollows. Just swipe and they're gone. It's pretty good. Once I've done that, usually I'd go in with some top coat, but I decided not to bother because I felt really confident in my stamping abilities today. Ooh, that was a risky move, though. I could really mess this up. And I just went in with more Simply Peel. And then I took an image from the Make Your Mark 5 plate from Lina Nail Art Supplies. This gorgeous little like hibiscus flower image. It is so freaking cute. I love it. I'm using my extra large stainless steel stamper from Twinkledt. This is my favorite, of course. And my Vibin Stampin' Polish from Twinkledt. You can actually get 10% off any Twinkledt products with the code SERIOUSLY listed in the description box. This is beautiful. I've had like 3 or 4 people ask me about these cards I swipe with. Those cards are from a group buy. They're like thinner Creative Shop cards from Creative Shop group buys from a group buy group I'm in on Facebook. So that's why I always have those cards and not the cards that actually comes with my stampers. I just like these cards better. They're just my favorite. I don't have a good time with the thicker cards. Once I've stamped the image down, and I did roll it over my nail because my nail curves a whole bunch, I'm pulling off my Simply Peel, and then I'm going to hit it with my top coat from Glisten and Glow. I feel like I should make like a compilation video with all my tips and tricks for stamping. But I've never sat down to do that. I feel like first I'd have to make a list and then film it and then like film ways you can mess them up and fix them. I don't know, it seems like a lot of work and I don't know if a lot of people want to see it. So if you'd be interested in something like that, leave it in the comments. Let me know. Let me know things you want to learn. I'm down to attempt to teach you, even though I don't think I should be allowed to teach people things. And there you have it. Once you've got your top coat on, you've wrapped your tips, you've got it all beautiful and glossy, you have your own little Hawaiian sunset nails. And I think I literally just came up with the title for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was a lot of fun for me to make. I'm really excited to have more time to do tutorials and videos in general. And, you know, it's just fun. I'm glad I'm getting back into things that I started doing on this channel that I really liked. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more fun stuff and tutorials. And of course, all the items I used are linked in the description box. And I will see you guys next time.